original HBIC. And this is the holiday gift guide, you guys. Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited for it. Fellas, I'm gonna hook y'all up, tell y'all what to get y'all women. Women, I'm gonna tell y'all what to get yourself. Ooh, it's holiday time, y'all. Listen, we about to bring in the new year. And we are not accepting no greasy, no ashy, nor no ugly bitches, okay? The only way to remedy that is if you pick up this Pro Filter Foundation. You're gonna look flawless. You're going to be killing the gram. Facebook, Twitter, I don't care where you live at, how you make your money. Listen, even if you one of the bitches from the block, you're gonna be doing your thing, earning your coin if you pick up this Pro Filter Foundation. I love it. I look flawless. I feel younger and thinner. I didn't know it can do all that, but it's doing it. 'Tis the season. Fa la 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 la. Pick this shit up. Fenty Beauty palette is everything and then some. This will take y'all into the afterlife. Like, this is how good this is. Rihanna, I love you. This Fenty Beauty palette is cuffing season proof, you guys. So when I register those words in my head and how I apply that to myself, you already know I'm waiting for my eggs to get cracked. This is gonna help me get my Prince Charming. Let me tell y'all what y'all gonna get when you open up this palette. Look at the sleekness of this packaging. See, when I opened it, y'all, I didn't know what was gonna hit me. Because I always thought I had a little bit of unicorn in me, because I do like anything that's like shaped like a cone that I can insert. Oh my goodness. The colors are insane. Beautiful shades. You have to pick this up for your grandmother, your uncle, your sister, your brother, and even like stepchildren. I don't care who you're related to. They are gonna appreciate this palette. The thing I love about this Fenty Beauty palette, fellas and ladies, is the fact that all these colors work. I don't care what side of the prism you fall on. If you're a lighter tone, darker tone, deeper tone, you're deeper shaded like me, it works, okay? I wanna be cuffed. So I'm gonna wear all these shades because I need my knight in shining armor to come swoop me up. And I can do this with this palette from Fenty Beauty, honey. It's cuffing season proof, and New York is ready to be cuffed. You guys, this is what I'm living for. Stunna lip paints, honey. The one I'm wearing, you guys, is called Unveil, okay? Like, lift my veil back. I'm ready to kiss my groom. These shades are just so gorgeous. They're beautiful in the packaging, honey, okay? This can double as a weapon almost, like, if your don't buy you a drink, bitch, like, These Stunna lip paints, you can't go wrong. Get them, pick them up. Listen, grandmothers, this is what your granddaughters want. We don't want anything else in our Santa stocking. Do not put tampons in there, grandmothers. We want Stunna lip paint. Now, I done told y'all that I was wearing Unveil. Now, let me tell y'all a day in the life of the HBIC and everything that I did when I was wearing Unveil. I done had a salad. I done said my prayers. And I got up with my man and I was making some noises that sounded a little bit like this. And I'm still wearing Unveiled. Like, this is going to take you, ladies, from day to evening into night. When I said that I was living for these Stunna lip paints, I was not playing around. Boom. Y'all know that bad bitch that's bad enough to show up uninvited? Yeah, that's me. And that's you too. This shade, I get to wear it. Any bitch that's bad enough to show up to shit that she shouldn't be at, funerals, bar mitzvahs, tax return season and all that, I don't care. If you a bad bitch, like, you know, when the Navy pops up, aye, sir, y'all can't serve the children without wearing uninvited. Wear this shit and you're just gonna be reading bitches left and right, giving them their last rites, okay? I'm gonna show up with the holy water if you get this. This is for the bitch that spit on you, you, your grandmother, your grandfather, you, 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 ass, tree stump, you a country bumpkin ass that can suck my man and my at the same time. You, hoe, and everything that's connected to you. Uncensored. I ain't even gonna play around with y'all. We all have that lazy friend that likes to take a bird bath in the sink. This is the perfect gift for our lazy friends. This is Frost Bunny, Honey, and Money. Now these are the crayons. Open that up. Look at that mirror. Look at the mirror that just rests right there. So if you need to apply or reapply, Fenty Beauty has just left no stone unturned. Okay, you guys thought of everything. Now these are the crayons. I want to show y'all what these crayons can do. Yes, you guys, Ice Dune. Now watch this. Look at that. Little pop in the center. Boom, boom, boom. Lazy bitch. Boom. Now, I'm just going to go for my crease, ear duct, tear duct shit, whatever they call that. Pop. Amazing. I'm glowing. I'm shining. I'm on. This lip trio, you guys. Oh my goodness. It's called Snow Nights. When I received this trio, the first thing I did, I opened it up and something was like, bitch, you gotta see if the freaking no chill works for you, because you know, I'm the HBIC. I have no chill. Do y'all all have that auntie that needs to shut the up? Or that baby mama that just really is just like dragging you to the courthouse every other weekend for child support payments and shit? This'll help her close her mouth this holiday season. It's a no chill button. This is gorgeous. Any woman that just needs to just parlay and just relax, take a breather, this'll do it. Fellas, do you want your lady to feel expensive? Even though she getting that good government check? Look at this packaging. It's beautiful, fellas. And the brush comes with it. Psych! It's sold separately. But when you open this up, look at how all that just shimmer just hits you. And look, we get dressed on our own, fellas, but we want y'all to come in and contribute. So this is how you can do it. You can take this brush and dab it in and hit it like that. Tap the side now. Go down your woman's décolletage, down to the cleavage, and then back up again. And I swear, if you do that to her, she gonna give you a treat later. So, Diamond Balm. This is one of the newest shades from Fenty Beauty. I'm so excited for it. This is the Gloss Balm, and the shade is called Fussy. I have to put this on. Ladies, fellas, we don't usually like the cause of fuss. But if we do, that means you need to pay for my lunch and give me a new Birkin bag. Not a new Birkin bag, because I didn't even have one to begin with. But you know what I'm saying. Like, buy me some expensive shit. Or else I'm going to cause a fuss. I love this. Fenty Beauty, this is like crack in a vial. It smells so good, so yummy, so supple. These products freaking, listen, this is a steal. If you guys don't buy these things holiday season, you don't know, you're missing out. We want Fenty Beauty. Say it with me. Really, seriously. Fenty Beauty is fit for a queen, a princess, and an HBIC. There you have it. That's some real shit. Instagram if y'all feel like it, but be sure to follow Fenty Beauty. I'm the HBIC, the original OG, and I'm out.